Hello smart investors, you are welcome back to my channel. I am still your girl, your friend, the only lady that makes landed property easy for you. Love it, Ezinne Aneke. And today we are in Destiny Layout, Enugu. Destiny Layout is situated in Agbogazi Nike. Destiny Layout is an investment property. Look at the major road to the place, and then this is Destiny Layout. So very soon this place is going to be cleared and physical allocation is going to be done to those that already paid for their property. And trust me, by then this place is going to increase. For now it is selling for just ₦1 million and it is 500 square meter by measurement. Destiny Layout is a place to invest in, trust me. Rainy season, it rained last night almost all through the night, but then this place is still dry, as you can see. Destiny Layout is a dry land. Look at the ground. It's a dry land and it's a table land. It's a table land. So this is the best time to invest in this property. Trust me. Give this place the next 10 to 20 years and it is going to be a major city in Enugu State. Rush now and invest your money here. You can even buy an acre, you can buy 10 plots, you can buy 5 plots and just fence it and leave it for the future. Remember, land is wealth. And no place is a bush. You're not going to regret buying 1 or 2 in this estate. Bye for now.